said that really, really fast. So let me just back up. Hola, surprise, it's me, Sassysamey, or Sam, here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be my everyday makeup. This is like equivalent to I kind of tried today, but kind of didn't at the same time. Yeah, so that is it. This video is going up a little bit later than I would like it to, but that's okay. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get on with the tutorial. Stay hydrated. So I'm gonna be doing my lazy girl get ready with me because I've noticed that I've been doing a lot of waking up and kind of like just throwing makeup on, and I think I have mastered the art of lazy getting ready. So my face is bare, obviously, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray because it moisturizes my face and it makes it feel like I am not dead. I just kind of let that sink in for a little bit. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. This one I've tried a couple of times and I've liked it so far, but you know, I love my Smashbox photo finish. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, which reminds me that I really do need to go get new brow stuff because I don't have any more of my brow pencils or any of the things that I normally use. So I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows, fill it in, and then I usually just use a lighter brow pencil, so then that way when I'm filling in my eyebrows it's not too thick, because since I'm not going to be doing that much eye makeup, I don't want it to be like just my eyebrows are done, you know what I mean? So this is the Ofra Universal Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm just going to fill in this part. So what I like to do is I usually just fill in the parts that are sparse, and then brush it out to fix this part of my eyebrow. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids. Evelyn Iona base. This one I believe was supposed to be like a concealer, but I use it as an eyeshadow base because I feel like it just works a lot better. And this is the Vestini eyeshadow shader brush number 2, and then I just dip it in there and then apply it to my eyes. And it's a really good base because this thing helps my eye makeup stay on so much longer. I go in with my fingers and just blend it out. And I've been using the Day Slayer by Morphe. I don't know if this is still available. I should look that up before. I'm pretty sure because I saw it earlier. But I really like it because it has like all of these beautiful shades. It's amazing. It's perfect for if you just want something a little bit bright to brighten up your day. I'm going to go with Natural, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go in with a darker shade, which is a mixture of Epic and Editor. So Epic is here, and then Editor is right there. So these two right there. And that's going to go in my crease. So Natural goes all over my lid. Just like that. It just sets everything. It doesn't make it look too crazy, which is good. But it looks like I have something on. Marvelous. Then I'm going to take Epic with the same brush. This is my favorite. This is by Royal Nickel. This is their crease and smudge brush. Super good. It's like one of my favorites. And then I just use this to darken up my outer corner because that's literally all I do. And I don't want it to be too crazy or anything. because, you know, it's obviously a work day, but I do need to put something on to make it look like I even tried. Boom, boom. And that's basically it for my eyes. I don't like to do anything too crazy because it's a work day, so I don't really want to be walking around with like a whole bunch of eye makeup. I just like it basic. I like it easy, simple, and I'm good to go. But find what works for you. Like honestly, if you have 3 shades, a light, medium, and dark, put it on your eyes, see if it matches. Boom, it just creates a little bit of depth, dimension, makes it look like you tried a little bit, but in reality, you're like trying to go fast. And then I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyeliner and also put on my mascara, and I will be right back because honestly, me trying to do that on camera is really hard, and it will take me forever to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and I will be right back. You know what I just realized? I don't have my handy dandy water bottle, so I have to go get it, and I will be right back. There it is. Alright, so I've already applied my eyeliner. The mascara I am going to apply right now. I personally like waterproof mascaras because it's just easier and throughout the day. Also, it's been raining here in Southern California, which is freaking weird because it normally doesn't rain here. But Mother Nature was like, hey, I'm gonna be at your door, open up. This is perfect for school, work, wherever you're going, because it's like just super simple and it's an easy everyday type of look. The next thing that I'm going to do is start on my face. If you guys have followed me for a very long time, you know that the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation is my favorite stick foundation. I haven't found anything that I like more. I really want to do a whole bunch of different foundation reviews this year because I've been sticking to my favorite foundations, which, you know, it's not a bad thing, but I also want to expand on my foundation collection. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use this with my beauty blender, and what I like about this is because it's super easy to apply, super easy to blend, and also it's super quick, especially if you're on the go. But I really, really like this one. So if you are down, get you one. Also, look, I'm almost out, so I have to get a new one. And it looks kind of dark on camera, but when you blend it in, it's fine. It works out. Right now, I'm in my winter skin right now, so yeah, it just looks darker because it is darker than my actual skin. But that's why you blend everything, and then it'll look perfect. I personally like this because it's super travel friendly. So if you don't have time to sit down and do your makeup, you could just take it with you and then do it while you're on the run. Always remember to blend down your neck. All right, so after that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. Most of the time, I don't really need concealer because I feel like my under eyes, when I use this foundation, it's pretty good, but I like to be extra. This is the Photo Focus concealer by Wet n Wild, and I am in the shade Medium Tawny. So what I like about this is it's vegan and cruelty free, so that's pretty awesome. Good for you, Wet n Wild, good for you. I have really been liking this one and my Makeup Revolution concealer the last couple of weeks, so that has been a-okay in my book. So if you're looking for a drugstore foundation or concealer that isn't, you know, gonna break the bank, go for it. It's good. It's lightweight and it does a really good job of brightening your under eyes and all the fun stuff. So you blend that out and then boom, good to go, good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Wet n Wild pressed powder. I'm usually really fast, but since I'm explaining everything, a little longer. I just press that into my skin. Just like that. I don't really use bronzer as much because I feel like if I'm in a rush, I skip the bronzer. But I do always highlight and put a blush on because I love blush and highlighting is number 2. So I'm going to use Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild because it's one of my favorites for the winter time and the fall time because it's just a beautiful shade and I feel like it complements me very well. See? Towards my temple. And then on to my favorite part! Highlighting. I'm gonna use my Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. Super amazing. This one is in the color 100 Molten Gold. It's one of my favorites. As you can tell, I use it a lot. And this is just a Luxie 516 dual fiber powder brush. And I put too much. Oh, what the fuck? You see that? My nose, my forehead, and my chin. So this is also by Wet n Wild. It's a really good wash of colors on my lip. Like it's not too vibrant. I mean the color is vibrant, but it's not too opaque. This is in the shade, this is the Velvet Matte Lip Color in the shade Hickory Smoked. Super pretty. And then I just set my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. one because I have it here. Put on my hoop earrings. So after I set my eye and my face, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner just because it makes me, also adds a little sparkle to my eyes. And it makes me feel like, you know, I'm alive. And it just adds a little, wow, I'm shining. See? It just makes a world of difference. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like, wha-bam. Wha-bam. Magic. So that is basically it. Let me zoom you guys out. That is basically it for this video. It's probably a little bit longer than I would like it to be, but yeah, so that is my everyday get ready with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave all of my links down below, so you can go ahead and follow me. And then I will also leave it on the screen, so it should be over here. Or over here, one of the two. And I think that is it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Yes, girl. Yes. Honestly, my camera kept turning off like this whole tutorial, so there might be pieces of it that's missing. Sorry.